every gadget in my bag has a job, and lately a lot of them weren't pulling their weight. So I swapped in a batch of brand new travel gear, a slimmer wallet, a better bag, and a power bank, and 10 of them made this trip noticeably easier. I'm Chris, by the way, and this is video 2 for travelers. Let's get into it. We used to check bags every single trip. Not anymore. These Aero trunk packing cubes changed the entire way we travel. My wife was skeptical. She now packs her own and won't let anyone touch them. That double zipper compression design, you pack everything in, close the first zipper, then compress with the second. I fit a full week of clothes, shirts, jeans, a light jacket into one medium cube. My wife fits her entire week into two. That breathable mesh top panel means you see exactly what's inside before you open anything. After 10 countries and a full year of hard travel, they still look brand new, and they come in various colors. My wife has beige. I have black. I bought a 4-pack for $40. I've tried 6 different power banks over 3 years of travel, and this is the one I keep coming back to. The Anker Zolo Power Bank. It has a 20,000 milliamp capacity, 30-watt fast charging, a built-in USB-C cable, and costs around $43. It has bailed our entire family out more times than I'd like to admit across Japan, Morocco, and a brutal 14-hour layover in Dubai. In Japan, we left our hotel in the morning and didn't get back until midnight. All 4 of us were running Google Maps, taking photos, and playing music, and this power bank kept everyone going all day long. It charges back up fast too. Plug it in overnight, and it's full by morning. My wife now packs this before she packs her shoes. That's how essential it's become. Lost passport, 2 kids, foreign country, not a story you want to live. This is the Slimfold Minimalist Passport Wallet, and it has been on every single trip with us since I stopped trusting cheap passport holders. Japan, Morocco, Colombia, 3 countries last year alone, 1 wallet. Never panicked once. It holds 2 full passports, cards, boarding passes, a B7 notebook, a pen, and an AirTag, all tucked perfectly flat inside. No bulge, and it fits right in a jacket pocket. A little expensive at $89, but for something that protects your most important documents in every country, tracks itself if it's ever lost, blocks digital theft, and shrugs off rain, that's worth every penny. We have 4 of these now, 1 for every adult in the family. My favorite travel gear on this list is the Flipside 4 wallet, built with an aluminum body that physically blocks RFID scanners from reading your cards. And it completely changed how I carry my cards everywhere we travel. 8 cards and 10 bills in something that weighs 3 ounces. And that auto lock button, my wife was obsessed with this in Tokyo. 1 click, the wallet snaps completely shut. Nothing falls out, and it comes with a removable money clip, holds business cards, additional cash, or receipts you might need. My wife uses it for her daily spending cash. Keeps the main wallet clean, the clip sits on the outside, everything else stays locked inside. Bought this for around $44. Now it's my everyday wallet. The one thing that has been in my toiletry bag through multiple trips is the Philips Norelco One Blade. The blade cuts 12,000 times per minute and flexes in every direction, not just side to side, but a full 360 degrees. It follows every curve of your jaw, neck, and chin. I did a full face cleanup in under 4 minutes in a hotel bathroom in Lisbon. My wife actually noticed. That never happens. For $69, you get a face shaver, a beard trimmer, and a body groomer. That's a full body kit. I took this through 2 weeks in Japan with my family. I looked fresh every single day. My wife even made me buy her one for her legs. I have no regrets. And yes, it comes with a travel case as well. The one sling bag I always keep with me is the TomTalk Urban EXT30 sling. My wife recommended this to me, and it costs around $69. She said, just try it. 1 trip. That was 8 months ago. I haven't touched another bag since. 10 liters of space, that sounds small. It's not. My 14-inch MacBook Pro slides into the padded compartment like it was made for it, because honestly it was. Headphones, charger, passport, water bottle in the side pocket. Everything I need for a full day or a 14-hour flight, organized and exactly where I left it. In Japan, I wore it through Tokyo's subway rush hour. 1 shoulder, switched to the other without even thinking about it. Took it to 3 countries, and it's still going strong. The one thing I've had in my pack for every outdoor trip since 2024 is the LifeStraw Peak Series personal water filter. the moment you find a lake or a river. You put one end in, drink from the other. In seconds, you have clean water. And the filter inside removes all the bacteria present in the water. It is the size of a large pen, fits in your back pocket. And when clean water is hard to find, it quickly becomes one of the most valuable things you're carrying. My wife, who normally panics about water anywhere outside a hotel, uses this daily now. That's how much confidence this filter has earned. I ended up buying 5, one for every member of the family. Best $20 I've ever spent on travel gear. We flew from Toronto to Tokyo, and I used this the entire flight. The IoT phone holder, and it has completely changed how my family survives long-haul flights. Setup takes seconds. Just clip it onto the tray table, snap your phone onto the magnetic mount, and you've got hands-free entertainment at 35,000 feet. It's incredibly secure. Even when the passenger in front reclined their seat, my phone never moved. The arm rotates 360 degrees, so switching from portrait for scrolling to landscape for movies takes seconds. My kids discovered this on a family trip to Tokyo and spent the entire flight watching cartoons without once asking me to hold a phone. And the best part, it works with every phone, MagSafe, Android, all of it. This is the Olight iMini 2, a keychain flashlight smaller than your thumb, and it has quietly saved us more times than I can count across 10 countries. Because when you need emergency light, it's the only thing that actually matters on a trip. You just pull the flashlight from its magnetic cap and it turns on instantly. Snap it back and it's off. The magnetic base is surprisingly useful, so you can stick it to any iron surface and walk away with both hands free. I've used it under the hood of my car in a parking lot in Tokyo at midnight. Then I knew how important it was. I travel for work constantly. This is the one thing I never leave home without. I bought one for my wife too for just $27. The last travel item I want to share is the braided belt. And I've worn one through Japan and on a 2-week road trip across the American Southwest with my wife. Unlike rigid leather belts, the nylon elastic weave stays comfortable during long trips. Whether you eat more or less while traveling, the elastic stretch adapts. It moves with your body instead of against it, perfect when you're sitting for 10+ hours on a flight. My wife picked up the navy blue belt for me with a black buckle for casual weekends at under $10. I've since bought 2 more, one for every travel bag I own. My leather belt is still in the drawer. This one goes everywhere with me now. And that's the full lineup, 10 travel gadgets that genuinely made my trip 10x easier. Links to everything are in the description. And if you're into gear like this, subscribe so you don't miss my next video.